Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be going over how you can locate and find remote jobs using Indeed. So let's get right into it. Now, what Indeed is, let me just explain that quickly. It is basically a application slash web service, which is very similar to other job finding or job seeking services, such as specifically LinkedIn. Once you make your account, you'll have the choice of either changing your status to a job seeker or an employer. If you choose to be a job seeker, you can search for jobs from the prompt as you can see on my screen. You can create your own online resume. You can directly message employers if you have the premium version of Indeed, and a lot of different things. And if you're an employer, you can put up job postings and you can search for clients, or rather applicants for your job. You can manage them much more easily than you would traditionally through the use of Indeed's own application manager or applicant manager, and pretty much you have a lot of different choices. But as I've said, the purpose of this tutorial is to show you how you can see remote jobs. And the one thing you need to do that is, as you can see, once you log in and once you choose to be a job seeker, you have the opportunity to search for jobs based on keywords such as titles, keywords, company, or based on the location. What you want to do is you want to go to what and just fill in remote. And then once you do, click search and you'll get a list of all of the remote jobs which are currently available. Once you find one, you can click on it, either save it or apply to their job by clicking apply on company site, fill out the application, and you're done. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed. I'll be seeing you guys next time.